Welcome to the Lake Life Condominium. Today, I'm going to show you a 4-bedroom apartment that is 1249 square feet in size. It is a corner unit. As you can see, here I am walking through the corridor right to the unit. This entire area is very bright. Unit is a corner one, so this entire space sort of belongs to you exclusively. And what I really like about it is that when you open the door, you do not face another unit immediately. So that gives you a lot of privacy and gives you that kind of exclusive feel to the unit. Now let's have a look at the inside. Right after you enter the house, what the owner did here was to install shoe cabinets. There are 4 panels over here, so I think it should be quite sufficient for any families. After you pass by the corridor, this is the dining area. I think you could easily put a very good sized round table. If you want to put in a rectangular one, I think an 8 or 10 seater would fill up the entire space. Here at the living area, you could put your sofa on either sides over here, and I think the space is good for you to even put an L-shaped sofa. At the ceiling part here, we have a ceiling fan, we have ceiling lights over here. We also have false ceiling that gives you another view to that house with the cove lighting at the sides. And here at the balcony, what the owner did was to install the zip track. And as you can see from the view over here, this was the view that my owner was looking for during the launch day. And he was so adamant that he only wants a 4-room that gives him this particular view. What I like about this balcony space is that I have lots of privacy. And when I look across, I'm not looking at any of the neighbor. In fact, that is the balcony of my master room. And I can imagine myself living here, having a glass of wine with my friends and relatives or friends overlooking this entire space without anybody looking into my home. For now, let's head to the master room. What the owner did was to build up this beautiful vanity top together with the built-in wardrobes. Here you have the bed frame installed already. It can fit a king mattress. And what I really like about this room is that it comes with an attached balcony that opens up to this very lovely view. The bathroom has been cladded with tiles, even for the walls. Cabinets are fully installed. This is the room that the owner used for their study. It comes with a built-in Murphy bed, and if you put it down, it is good for one person. And then if you want to keep it, just flip it up and the whole area can be used as your study or office area. The view of this room is similar to that of this room, where the owner also installed the single bed frame, and this room overlooks the beautiful swimming pool. And now, let's head to the last room. Over here, it has got the same view as the living as well as the master room. What the owner did was this L-shaped cabinet space. If you want this to be another room, you could consider removing part of the cabinet so that you can put in the bed. What I like about this kitchen is the space. Over here, you can see 2 rows of cabinets, both at the upper portion and also the lower portion. Here, you also have a very good sized yard, and you still have another bathroom that you can do all your washings, as well as the storeroom to keep your barang-barang, as well as to use it for the maid's room if you want to. Jurong Lake is a place where you could bring your families, cycle, do your workout, jogging, enjoy the scenery, look at the birds and otters. I'm not sure if they come over to this part of the island. There are no lack of amenities over here. You have the Taman Jurong Food Center, the supermarkets around this area, you have the Super Bowl, McDonald's, you have the Jurong Lake, and many more. Look at the amount of white sites, reserve sites that are in the area. Imagine the entire transformation taking shape. People coming in to work, to live. If you are looking for a property that has got that potential to grow in capital values in the years to come, this might just be the one for you. Not forgetting that we also have the Jurong Region line and also the Cross Island line that will link Jurong to the other parts of Singapore. In today's context, for a proper 4-bedroom that is reasonably new with a good sized kitchen at the price point of around 1.8 million, I think we do not have many other options left. If you talk about the price point, Lake Life is now transacting at around 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, and comparing with some of the properties that were being transacted here, it is almost a 40 to 50% discount. How can it be wrong? You would also likely to see huge potential growth due to the Jurong transformation as the second CBD of Singapore. I hope you like what you have just seen. If you are keen to view the unit, give me a call 9181 2454 Lawrence Teo. Bye bye.